Welcome to a new video on my ESP32 Internet of Things device with a lot of possibilities like GPIO, pulse modulation, analog to digital converter, I2C and several other things. And this is the device itself with LED buzzer, 7segment display, which are also LEDs, microphone not connected, LCD is connected, the keypad also connected but not working, and motors that, depending on whatever, choose to be working. Last time I had a very annoying fact that the buzzer turned out to be very much more annoying on video than it was in real life. So right now I will try to minimize that. I already did by making it intermittent, but let's see how far we can go, and doing so with the Arduino environment as well as with the IDF tools chain. 3 probes for the oscilloscope attached, which is pulses modulation, voltage for the 3.5 volts which are required for the servo motor and for the fischertechnik pulses modulation motor, and one to the LED to signal the pattern, if that works at all. Anyway, let's see for the software and how things go. And then this is the software view with the IDF code environment, ESP code, and of course the camera and a camera on the circuit and the camera on the oscilloscope. Now the annoying thing is as well, let me change this to the correct version, and I think I should have this one, and port is USB 2, which reminds me that I should also reclaim ownership of the USB port. Let me do just that. Change ownership to myself for TTY USB 2, and this should be enough. USB, that's fine. This is output, IDF output, IDF. Anyway, annoying thing is that this is in a random access memory, the IDF is going in flash, but they have the same idea in monitor. I don't like that. Still, it seems to be unavoidable. So when I check this one again, there's a nice connection, very good, and you already see this LED go at least once. Hard resetting. Oh, then it helps when I have the tool open. Yes. 7segment display not entirely operating as wanted. Some segments are not connected right now. And alright, I should show what I do. So this is not entirely correct. I have pulses modulation here, which is good. I didn't pay attention to the motors, but they are still in the position. So another thing is I do not see anything on the LCD, which is not very good. That's blue, green. Oh, I see gibberish. Okay, so it does work, but not what I want to see. Anyway, that's for this one again. Can you tone down a buzzer? I don't know actually. Servo motor doesn't show anything again. So let me quit this, and it still goes on. So let me see now if flash indeed retains what it should have. Make monitor, and this, okay, motor, fischertechnik motor starts, but it has the code from the random access memory, not from the flash. Alright, exit. That one stays it keeps working. Let me see if this is connected correctly, because I doubt it right now. This is from the red. Right, that may be a problem. Yeah. Okay, probes interfering with the wires from the motor to the motor. Kind of here. So red. Well, oh, that is actually the orange wire. So this should be correct. But isn't. Brown is brown. Red is red, but that's the other one. If I change these wires, what happens then? If anything, nothing so far, but it looks better in coloring. So despite that this one is working, this one isn't. And that is not nice. Again a change. And yeah, no, this wire is off. The voltage wire is way off. That is not good. So instead of trying out new things, I'm fixing. So I should check that for now. Power finally restored, and deciding to actually put this sleeping time for the buzzer to half a second. So what I have to do is write and then make flash again, because for some reason no rule to make target, and flash does have a rule to make target. So make what? Make flash as everything. Make, of course, I should look in here. No typos, please. So make what? There's a lot in here, but there's not a make flash. So I've got to do make flash. Too many arguments. Oh right, I put a comma in instead of a dot. And then you have arguments. Wrong arguments. Hard resetting. That means that I now have to go to make monitor to make it active. Oh, and I still haven't activated the display. I notice now. Oh, and something happened to this wire. So not all segments are activated right now. And I'm not quite sure which one this is, so I'll let it be for now. Not important, but I'm also not hearing the buzzer, which is too bad, because I want to hear it go for just half a second, unless half a second means pts, which is also possible. Yeah, I think I hear it click. So if I quit this, oh, what I also can do, putting the final available probe to, and let me show it like this, the final probe actually to the buzzer, which is set to pattern and also to 4, which is correct. So now I want to see what is happening right here, and I see nothing. Here yes for the LED, here nothing for the buzzer, which is weird. So let's put this back to 1 second. Oh wait, I ended it. Make monitor. I still see no buzzer. I see no buzzer signal active on here. No, only the LED, but not this one. So, right, quit, make flash. Alright. Do I hear the buzzer? Oh yeah, very annoying buzzer sound. Yeah, most definitely. Okay, so that is for 1 second. Interesting. So apparently shorter than 1 second isn't a go, and to prove or to verify that, I put it say for 1.75. Make flash. Monitor. Nope. Okay. Proven. This means that this buzzer is only active from 1 second. Any other timing less than 1 second, it will just blip. Alright. What next? And then I find a final remarkable thing. I put the buzzer back to 1 second. I put make flash but not make monitor, and it works. So another mystery added to the already existing mysteries. Anyway, for now that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment or suggestion, which is much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please support my videos by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, which is in Europe banking. And you can also from anywhere become a patron, and depending on the pledge may have your name mentioned. Your name will be mentioned on my website and or with my videos. This is going to be continued. Have a nice day. Please take a look under my video for my website, Patreon page and social media accounts. Have a nice day and bye bye.